Are you prepared for winter driving? Today we're going to walk through some crucial steps to ensure you're ready for the snowy season. Winter brings with it a unique set of challenges for motorists. From ensuring your tires are up to the task, to keeping your battery in good health, maintaining proper antifreeze levels, and having an emergency kit on hand, there's a lot to consider. We'll also delve into safe driving practices to keep you secure on the road. Let's start with one of the most overlooked aspects of winter driving: tire maintenance. Tires are your car's only contact with the road, so it's vital to ensure they're in good condition. Now let's talk about two crucial aspects of tire maintenance: tread depth and inflation. Having sufficient tread depth on your tires is like having a good pair of hiking boots. It allows your car to grip the road, especially in wet or icy conditions. The rule of thumb is to replace your tires when the tread depth reaches 2 millimeters. Proper inflation, on the other hand, is like having the right amount of air in a balloon. Too much and it might pop, too little and it won't rise. Over or underinflation can lead to uneven wear, poor handling, and increased risk of punctures. So check your tire pressure at least once a month and always before long trips. And as the mercury drops, consider switching to winter tires. They are designed to give you better traction on snow and ice, making your winter journeys safer. Your tires are ready for winter, but what about your car's battery? Cold weather can drastically impact your car battery's performance. Now, this might seem like an inconvenience, but it's actually a safety concern. You see, when the temperature drops, your battery has to work harder, and this can lead to a weaker charge. If your battery is on the older side or has shown signs of struggle, it might be time to consider a replacement. Don't forget to regularly check your battery's charge, especially during the winter months. This can be done using a multimeter or by a professional at a service center. If your battery isn't holding a charge as it should, it's best to replace it before it gives up entirely. And here's a tip: always keep a set of jumper cables in your vehicle. They can be a real lifesaver if your battery fails on a cold, snowy day. With a healthy battery, you're one step closer to winter readiness. Now let's talk about antifreeze levels. Proper antifreeze levels are crucial to prevent your engine coolant from freezing during extremely cold temperatures. This isn't merely a suggestion, it's a necessity. Antifreeze, also known as engine coolant, prevents the water in your engine's cooling system from freezing in biting weather. Without it, you risk severe damage to your engine, which could lead to costly repairs or even a complete engine replacement. Now, let's shift gears and talk about emergency kits. Imagine being stranded in your vehicle during a snowstorm. Not a pleasant thought, right? Well, an emergency kit can be a lifesaver in such situations. It should include a few essentials like a blanket, flashlight, extra warm clothing, and non-perishable snacks. Don't forget any necessary medications. These items could make a significant difference in a crisis. So remember, maintain those antifreeze levels and always have an emergency kit handy. Lastly, but certainly not least, let's cover some safe driving practices for winter. Adjusting your driving habits for winter conditions is vital for your safety. As the seasons change, so should your approach to the road. One of the most crucial adjustments is regulating your speed. Even though the speed limit might say one thing, icy or snow-covered roads require you to slow down. It's not about getting to your destination the quickest, but rather getting there safely. Maintaining a safe following distance is another essential practice. This isn't just a suggestion, but a necessity. When the roads are slick, it takes longer to stop, and you don't want to find out too late that you're too close to the car in front of you. Doubling or even tripling your usual following distance can give you that extra time needed to react if something unexpected happens. Avoiding sudden movements is also key. Quick changes in direction or abrupt stops can cause your vehicle to skid or even spin out. Instead, make slow and steady adjustments to your steering, acceleration, and braking. Lastly, always be cautious. Icy or snow-covered roads can be unpredictable. Even if you think you know the road well, winter conditions can change everything. Black ice, snowdrifts, and reduced visibility are just a few of the challenges you might face. Remember, being prepared is not just about having the right gear. It's also about knowing how to use it and understanding safe driving practices. Let's quickly recap the key points we've discussed today. Tire maintenance is essential for safe winter driving, as is ensuring your car battery is in good health. Maintaining proper antifreeze levels can prevent engine damage due to freezing, and having an emergency kit on hand is always a smart move. Adjust your driving habits to suit the winter conditions. And remember, safety is paramount. Stay safe out there this winter. And remember, preparation is key. Drive carefully, and we'll see you in the next video.